Inisyo Marawi ni mga kadyosa. Inisyo Marawi ni first game ni sila karon, first game Intercollegiate. Collegiate niya.
Sa mula, ano natin, sa mga kapagkaroon, no, may habos sa kanan. So before the one start, ako sa pasalatan ang nasa ibigan team, ang atong sipat, ang ating sinano, atong referee.
Marawi, Coach, salamat kayo ko sa pag-ari-diri ninyo sa Sunas Tango. Ato pagpakan kay kayo niabot kayo taga Marawi. O karon ang second game, Tubod College. Tubod College niabot sila nagansi pa. Una manginaot ko nga kini nga dula ato yung tagang importansya ang spirit of sportsmanship. Kaning dula mangod ay malay kalikayan na may usahay ani matawag nito ani physical ba. Pero atong paningkamutan ang mga referee, ato ginang batunan mga player coach na ang spirits of sportsmanship ato gina siyang mapahigayon kay kana parang ang dula friendship games o limpyo ang dula nga walay kagubot. Di lang kay kontason, welcome sa ato ang Intercollegiate karong hapuna versus Tubod o Marawi. Kaya salamat o maayong hapon atong tanan.
Okay, Marawi. Bola Sabut. Then number 10, intercepted. Number 9, Amang intercepted. Sa MSU to number 10, number 10 to number 11. What a nice move! Score. Tundod. Amang choosing number 4 to number 51. Pass. At number 3, Mugat. Rebound jersey number 10 now. MSU to jersey number 7. Number 7, 2 points. Jersey number 7. Tubod. 21. Jersey number 21. Relax lang ka, relax lang. Pass sa kilig. 21 natin. Oh, Marawi. Pass sa number 10. Pass sa number 7. Natin for 2. No good. Rebound. Tubod. Jersey number 4, out. Jersey number 8, 9. To number 4, to number 51, atin. Sobrang malakas. 2 points, jersey number 52.
About Government of Tagum City, headed by our former mayor, Mayor Beck, and the city council headed by Vice Mayor Tito City. And also third innings assisted by number 4. Number 4. 1-2. Score. 1 minute and 54 seconds for the first frame. 99. Voila. Intercepted by number 35. 35 to number 7. Tuloy-tuloy yan. Wala. Rebound to number 35. There's no whistle. Mercer, number 35. Number 6. Second free. 1 point. Score 5. 5 to shoot. Number 10, don't pass to number 22. Number 22, number 2. Oh, cross. Long pass to number 8, number 2. 7. 7. Tumera, wala pa rin. Rebound to Sumagat. Number 8 to number 71. Wala pa rin. Rebound to sa 18. 18 niya to number 58. 58. 28. Rebels. Number 13. To number 01. Wala. Rebound to si Sumagat. Number 8. Now pass to number 7. Number 7, God for 2. 58. Number 3. Number 3, God for 2. To number 8. 8. Number 7. 71. Jump shoot. Wala rebound to si number 13. Sumaga. Wala. 7. Number 7 to number Tumera, wala pa rin. Rebound naman ito si number 71. To number 18, to number 7. 5 to shoot. Second prayer. Number 28. Number 28. Tumera, got for 2. Number 1 to number 18. Shako. Tumera. Wala. Rebound to C. 0-1-2. Number 18. Number 2. Number 13. To number 8. Tumera. Wala. Rebound to C. Number 12. Rebound to C. Number 8. Sumagat. To number 13. Number 13, Makapuri, to Perocho. Perocho, to number 22, to number Makapuri, wala. Nagpapagaling ko si Abel, number 16. Abel, to number 28, to Mera, wala pa rin si Bardo. Si number 22, wala pa rin. Number 16, Abelia. Wala. Rebound to si Perocho nagmamadali. Perocho to number 71. Wala. Number 13. Rebound Sumaga. Sumaga. Goal for 2. Number 3. Wala. Long pass to number 13. To number 10. Perocho, wala pa rin. 1 minute and 50. Number 21. To Abelia. Wala. Rebound to si number 12. Goal for 2. 1 minute and 3 seconds. Perocho. Rebound Perocho. Goal for 2. 45. Score 25-30. 5-point lead by JK of the Blue. 40. 7 to shoot. Number 21. Moto. Block. 3. 25. 20. 15. It's a simple number 22. 10. Wala. First serve of number 12.
Coach, 1 second remaining. 1 second. Napa, 1 second remaining.
Jumper. Score 25. Reyes rebound. 1 second remaining. Time 21. 21. Torres. 15 to shoot. Wala. Rebound itong si Sumagat. Number 22. The Sumagat. Sumagat to number 13. Makapuni. Sumagat. 6 to shoot. Intercepted by number 9. Number 2. Number 52 Torres. Wala. Rebound. Wala pa rin. Basket count for 7. Tomera na 3. For 3 points. 4 to number 2, number 12. For 13, 39. 13 black. 10 to shoot. Number 22 Tomera. Wala pa rin. Rebound to si number Torres. Si Torres. Number 12 to Torres. Tomera wala. 22. Remaining time 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Wala, rebound. Rebound to si number 21 Torres. Torres. Low pass number 9. Torres, Tomera again. Oh. 3. There's a whistle. And bonus by number 18. Wala. Rebound to si number 18 again. To number 7. To number 18, to number 10. It's a block. To number 7. 3 to shoot. Dogs. Number 2. Dribble. 18. To number 13. Number 18. The ball is number 18 again. Why? Piloso. Minute time. 3 minutes and 43. Number 7. Number 7. So this is number 7 to number 10. Perazzo. Perazzo. 17 to shoot. Number 11. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. 18 Tomera. Hold on. 3. Wala. Come on. Don't see number 4 to number Tomera. Wala. The ball goes to minutes number 10 to number 7. Number 2. To number 01. 02. Number 18. Wala. Torres. Wala pa rin. Rebound ito si number. And to number 72. Number 18. Nagmamadali. Nag-iisang between. Goal for 2. Score. Oy! Nabalit na kawala. Torres for number 18. Now pass to number 18. Wala. Has a sense by number 7. basket now. 30 foul of Sultan. Seconds to play. 55. Number 2. You want the number 12? Number 2. Score. 4 fouls. Number 23 goes to number 13. Number 23. 5 to shoot. 1 for 2. Number 7. 2 numbers. 13 to number 7. Number 7. 1 for 2. To number 16, Abilia. Tomera. Wala. Rebound goes to number 13. Number 13 to number 7. To number 22. Sumaran. 1 for 2. To number 13. Number 13 to number 10. 10 to shoot. Number 3. Hold on. 5 to shoot. Run, cross, straight. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Tomera. Cross, straight. Intercepted by number 10 to number 18. Number 18 again. What's it? 1 minute to go. 10 to shoot. 1 for 2. 1 minute and 15. Intercepted number 7. Tigruso. Block and play. 1 for 2. 15 to shoot. 30. 10 to shoot. 25. 5 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 15. Sultan. First, 1 way. Number 1 point.